Starting an LLC in Texas can be highly beneficial for a number of reasons. For one, Texas has a business-friendly environment with no state income tax, low regulatory hurdles, and a highly skilled workforce. Additionally, the Lone Star State boasts a diverse economy, ranging from technology and energy to healthcare and retail. As such, an LLC in Texas can provide entrepreneurs with a stable platform for growth, with plenty of opportunities to innovate and expand. But before we dive into the details of how to start an LLC in Texas, let's first take a closer look at the benefits of this business structure. 1. Limited liability protection. One of the biggest advantages of forming an LLC is that it provides personal liability protection. This means that your personal assets, such as your home, car, or savings, are protected in the event that your business is sued or incurs debts. 2. Pass-through taxation. LLCs are typically taxed as pass-through entities, meaning that the profits and losses of the business are passed through to the owner's personal tax returns. This can be advantageous because it allows LLC owners to avoid double taxation, paying taxes at both the business and individual level. 3. Flexible management. Unlike corporations, which are required to have a board of directors and officers, LLCs have a more flexible management structure. Owners of an LLC, known as members, can choose to manage the business themselves or appoint a manager to handle day-to-day operations. 4. Ease of formation. Starting an LLC in Texas is relatively straightforward and can be done online through the Texas Secretary of State website. Additionally, there are few ongoing filing requirements or formalities that must be met, making it a low-maintenance business structure. Now that we've established the benefits of forming an LLC in Texas, let's explore the step-by-step process of starting one. Step 1. Choose a name for your LLC. The first step in forming an LLC in Texas is to choose a name for your business. The name must be unique and not already in use by another business in Texas. You can check the availability of a name by searching the Texas Secretary of State's business name database. Once you've found a name that's available, you'll need to reserve it by filing a name reservation application with the Secretary of State. The fee for name reservation is $40 and is valid for 120 days. Step 2. Appoint a registered agent. Texas requires all LLCs to have a registered agent, who is responsible for receiving legal and tax documents on behalf of the company. The registered agent can be an individual who resides in Texas or a business entity that is authorized to do business in the state. You can appoint yourself as the registered agent or hire a professional registered agent service. If you choose to hire a professional service, be aware that there will be ongoing fees. Step 3. File the certificate of formation. To officially form your LLC, you'll need to file a certificate of formation with the Texas Secretary of State. The form can be filed online through the Texas Secretary of State's website, or by mail. The filing fee is $300, and you'll need to provide basic information about your LLC, such as its name, registered agent, and principal place of business. Step 4. Create an operating agreement. While not required by law, it's a good idea to create an operating agreement for your LLC. This document outlines the ownership structure of the LLC, as well as the rights and responsibilities of each member. It can also help prevent future disputes among members. There are many online templates available that can help you create an operating agreement, or you can hire an attorney to draft one for you. Step 5. Obtain any necessary licenses and permits. Depending on the nature of your business, you may need to obtain additional licenses and permits to operate in Texas. This can include things like a sales tax permit, a professional license, for doctors or lawyers, or a permit to sell alcohol. You can find out what licenses and permits you need by visiting the Texas Economic Development and Tourism website. Step 6. Obtain an EIN. An EIN, Employer Identification Number, is a unique 9-digit number assigned by the IRS to identify your business for tax purposes. Even if you don't have any employees, you'll need an EIN to open a business bank account or file taxes. You can obtain an EIN for free by filling out an online application on the IRS website. Step 7. Open a business bank account. Once your LLC is formed and you have an EIN, it's important to open a separate business bank account. This will help keep your personal finances separate from your business finances, which is important for liability protection and tax purposes. You can shop around for the best business banking options in Texas by comparing fees and services from different banks and credit unions. Step 8. File annual reports. In Texas, LLCs are required to file an annual report with the Secretary of State each year. This report includes basic information about your business, such as your registered agent and principal place of business. The fee for filing an annual report is $0, but failing to file can result in late fees and penalties. In conclusion, starting an LLC in Texas can be a smart move for entrepreneurs looking to protect their personal assets, take advantage of pass-through taxation, and benefit from a business-friendly environment. By following the steps outlined above, you can form an LLC in Texas in a relatively straightforward manner. However, if you have any questions or concerns along the way, it's always a good idea to consult with an attorney or other trusted advisor. If you are confused or consider these steps to be difficult, you can employ a professional formation service to file your LLC. Northwest Registered Agent is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Watch the rest of the video, where I will show you how to form an LLC in under 1 minute through Northwest Registered Agent. The full review of Northwest Registered Agent is also given in the description down below. Starting an LLC? Let us show you how to do it in a right way. First thing first, the whole point of an LLC is to separate you and your business. That's what protects your finances and privacy. Start by appointing a registered agent. Your LLC official point of contact. Hiring a registered agent is a smart and affordable method to maximize privacy. Next, see if your name is available by checking your state business database. Now you are ready to file state paperwork. The average fee is around $100. Apply for a free EIN from IRS website. Having your tax ID in hand you'll make the rest steps easy. Put your LLC policy in writing with an operating agreement. Make it easy with free template like ours. Remember when we said LLC separates you and your business, that's why your LLC needs its own bank account. Your bank account does not do any good in empty, time for each member to contribute. Be prepared for annual files and fees like state reports and taxes. Check the link in the description below. Start your LLC with Northwest Registered Agent.